Hello, everyone. My name is Lynn Nesland, and I'm the Father's Resource Counselor at Mahabiatwa Community Action. Our main office is located in Detroit Lakes, but I'm mostly at our Wadena location. Our program has contracts with 9 counties, including Becker and Otter Tail. We work with individuals who are having custody and child support issues, who maybe need to make some changes. They've had changes in their circumstances or their situations. So we look at helping them change their child support, for example. Maybe someone in the current situation of life has had some income changes and now they need to go back to court to make those changes. We can help either party, mom or dad, make those changes based on the changes in their income. Otherwise, another big change we've seen lately is that the children are changing their residence. Now they used to live with dad full-time, now they live with mom full-time, or vice versa because of schooling or other reasons like that, they've changed residence. Thirdly, for child support reasons, the other thing is individuals have had changes in health insurance costs or daycare costs. Johnny's not going to daycare anymore, so there needs to be some adjustment with that. So child support is a big reason that we're available. We help individuals with their court paperwork, making sure they make enough copies, make sure they're serving the right individuals, including the county attorney's office, making sure they're asking their child support officers the proper questions before they take it to court in case there's something that the child support office could do for them instead. The second reason that someone comes and sees the Father's Resource Program is because they need to establish their custodial rights. In the state of Minnesota, when parents are not married and a child is born, mom is given full physical and legal custody, and then dad doesn't really have those custodial rights until he takes it back into court and gets them put into place. And sometimes it can be done as a joint petition that mom and dad agree on exactly what they want it to look like, and they just need it in a court order. Or it could be that mom and dad can't agree, and so they want some help from either a mediator or the judge to get those things in order. The third reason someone comes to the Father's Resource Program is because they need changes in a court order they already have. They need to change custody, or they need to adjust parenting time. The parenting time may have been set when the children were young. Maybe they were 2 and 3 years old, and now they're 12 and 13. Parenting time looks different as children get older. So we're just available to help with the forms. The forms are found on the minnesotacourts.gov website. They're fillable Word documents, and what we do is we sit with the individual, talk through what they would like to see the situation be, whether it's changing parenting time, and kind of explain like what the question is asking them, so then they can put in the best answer possible. We help with typing out the forms so that the judge and the other party can very easily read what the person's asking for. And then in addition, we help with scheduling the court dates. We help, like I said, with copying, serving the other parties. There's no fee for our service. The counties that we contract with, like I said, there's 9 of them, including Becker and Otter Tail. They pay for our staff to be available. The only time there's a fee is if it's required by the courts that the individual pay a filing fee. And there's forms available additionally to ask for those fees to be waived if somebody is in a financial situation that they cannot pay them themselves. A couple of things that we cannot help with. We can't help with filing divorces. They're just more complicated than our staff can handle because they're not attorneys. They're really just trained in family law type situations. So when a divorce, typically there's also some property and asset things that go along with it. So divorce is just not something we do. We refer those folks off to legal aid as often as possible. And then additionally, we cannot assist individuals who have cases that are not in the state of Minnesota. They can be residents of Becker or Otter Tail County and have cases in other areas of the state, but we can't help if their cases in North Dakota or Iowa or anywhere else. The other thing that we do is we make sure that the individuals we work with are given resources for energy assistance, SNAP benefits, MNsure applications, anything that can help them move ahead Many times they're in a financial situation, they're needing some help. And so we can make sure they're attached to those programs as well. The next biggest thing is, how do you get a hold of our staff? So to ask questions or to make an appointment, you would just call the Mojave office there in Detroit Lakes, ask for the Father's Resource Program. Everything is pretty automated right now. If someone is available, they'll take the message. The phone number at the office is 218-847-1385. And that is a direct line to our Detroit Lakes office. Like I said, the offices are currently closed. All of our appointments are done over the phone. Information is then transported, back and forth through the mail as signatures are needed or additional information is needed. We do a lot of mail and over the phone, email is possible as well. So we're available. The office is just not open right now. And again, that phone number is 218-847-1385, and just ask to leave a message for the Father's Resource Program, and they'll transfer you to the proper extension. Again, my name is Lynn Nesland. I work for Mojave Community Action as a Father's Resource Counselor. And if anyone has questions or concerns about what we can help with, feel free to give me a call.
Thank you for watching Wellness for Life. Brought to you by Back in Motion Physical Therapy, Gothenburg Chiropractic Clinic, Mojave Community Action Partnership, Natural Alternatives, and Lakeside Sports and Pain Clinic.